I, as a leader, has been responsible for creating this problem in the first place.
Did Abiy Ahmed carry out a genocide?
Abiy Ahmed genocidun ፈጽመውታል ወይ?
I will tell you this as a lawyer.
Yeah.
I cannot say who did this and that, but the crime was committed in Tigray.
ይህንን የምነግርህ እንደ ህግ ባለሙያ ነው። ይህንን ወይም ያንን የፈጸመው እከሌ ነው ልልህ አልችልም።
You're a lawyer.
Yeah.
Were you not a lawyer in 2021 when you said Abiy Ahmed has carried out a genocidal campaign?
Yeah, I was
Were
a
you not a lawyer
lawyer.
when you said Abiy committed genocide on the people of Tigray?
በ2013 አብይ አህመድ ጄኖሳይድ ፈጽሟል ብለው ሲናገሩ ያኔ የህግ ባለሙያ አልነበሩም እንዴ? ያኔ እኮ አብይ አህመድ ጄኖሳይድ በትግራይ ህዝብ ላይ ፈጽሟል ሲሉን ነበር።
I was a lawyer and I was in the heat of a conflict that was claiming the lives of hundreds of thousands of
ያኔም የህግ ባለሙያ ነኝ፣ ግን በተጋጋለና በመቶ ሺዎች የሚቆጠሩ ሰዎች በሚሞቱበት ጦርነት ላይ ነበርኩ።
Was it a genocide or not?
ስለዚህ ጄኖሳይድ ተፈጽሟል አልተፈጸመም?
I believe genocide has been committed in Tigray.
በትግራይ ውስጥ ጄኖሳይድ ተፈጽሟል ብዬ አምናለሁ።
By Abiy Ahmed?
በአብይ አህመድ?
Well, I have to be responsible for my words now.
አሁን ለምናገራቸው ቃላት መጠንቀቅ አለብን።
So you weren't responsible.
And
ከዚህ በፊት የማይጠነቀቁ ነበሩ ማለት ነው?
I am ready to stand by my position that genocide has been committed.
አሁንም በአቋሜ ለመገኘት ዝግጁ ነኝ።
Genocide has been
I'm
committed.
confused. Just to clarify for the audience watching, you still believe it was a genocide,
Yes.
but you're not willing to say he did the genocide.
ቆይ አልገባኝም። ለተመልካቾች ግልጽ ያርጉላቸው። ጄኖሳይዱ እንደተፈጸመ ያምናሉ፣ ግን አብይ ፈጽመው ብለው ለመናገር አይፈልጉም። ይሄንን እያሉ ነው ያሉት?
Yes.
አዎ።
It was a genocide that just happened by itself.
ታዲያ ጄኖሳይዱ ዝም ብሎ በራሱ ጊዜ ተፈጠረንም?
No, there were so many actors involved.
አይደለም፣ በጦርነቱ እኮ በርካታ ተዋናያን ነበሩ።
Was he one of them?
እኮ አብይ አንዱ ነው።
Well, the war on Tigray was led by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed himself.
በትግራይ የተካሄደውን ጦርነት የመራው እኮ ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር አብይ ነው እሱማ።
So he led the genocide.
ስለዚህ ጄኖሳይዱንም መርቶታል።
I mean, we wouldn't have to be that specific.
በዚህ ደረጃ ነጥለን መጥራት አያስፈልገንም።
We do.
He led the war.
That's why we invited you here to find out.
መጥራት አለበት እንጂ እርስዎን የጠራሁት እኮ ለዚህ ነው።
I will give
And
him
it was
the
a genocide.
opportunity to defend himself in public, in court.
Okay.
What I'm saying is that all kinds of crimes,
You mentioned
ethnic cleansing,
Understood.
genocide were committed. As a matter of fact, he was a very close friend even before he got elected. So.
ራሱ ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትሩ ራሱን በፍርድ ቤትም ሆነ በአደባባይ የመከላከል መብቱን ተውለታለሁ። ሲጀመር እኮ አብይ ጓደኛዬ ነው። ገና ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር ሳይሆን በፊት ጀምሮ ጥብቅ ጓደኛዬ ነው።
who was
What
a
he
close
said
friend?
ማን ነው የቅርብ ጓደኛ?
Abiy was my close friend.
አብይ የቅርብ ጓደኛዬ ነበር።
You hated him. You said he was a genocidal warmonger, imperialist.
ስትጠራው አልነበረም እንዴ? የጄኖሳይድ ወንጀለኛ፣ ጦረኛ፣ ኢምፔሪያሊስት ስትለው አልነበረም እንዴ?
Yeah, but
We had friends you had.
that doesn't change the fact that we're friends.
አዎ ያኮ ጓደኛ ነበርን የሚለውን እውነት አይቀይረውም።
The fact that he's a genocidal warmonger didn't change the fact that you were friends.
የሆኑ ግራ አጋቢ ጓደኛሞች ናችሁ።
No. I'm stating the fact. I'm stating
Before the
all-
genocide, you
yes.
mean you were friends?
Yes.
ከጄኖሳይዱ በፊት ነው ጓደኛ ነበርን እያሉ ያሉት?
Friends.
Yes.
አዎ
And after the genocide, you're friends. Just during the genocide, you weren't friends.
ከጄኖሳይዱ በኋላም ጓደኛ ናችሁ፣ ከጄኖሳይዱም በፊት ጓደኛ ናችሁ እና በጄኖሳይዱ ወቅት ግን ጓደኛ አይደላችሁም?
Fighting each other.
እርስ በርስ እየተዋጋን ነበር።
Let's not belittle the whole